Ringside. The 17th of April 2019, boxing's two-time and current super middleweight world champion Anthony Dirrell has confirmed that he will appear at the 5th annual Box Fan Expo on Saturday, May 4, 2019 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Dirrell will hold a meet and greet with the fans at the Box Fan Expo store booth. The expo is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. during Cinco De Mayo weekend. The Boxing Expo will also coincide with the highly anticipated fight between Canelo Alvarez versus Danny Jacobs that will take place later that evening at the T-Mobile Arena. Tickets to the Box Fan Expo are available at Eventbrite, http://boxfanexpo.eventbrite.com/Dirrell will make his first appearance at this year's expo and will be signing gloves, photos, personal items for fans to enjoy. Boxing fans will have an opportunity to also take pictures with the current WBC super middleweight champion, also known as the Dog. Dirrell joins the WBA, joins Julio Cesar Chavez, Riddick Bowe, Mikey Garcia, Errol Spence Jr., Marco Antonio Barrera, Mia Street, John, Juan Manuel Marquez, Vinny Paz, Devin Haney, Ernie Shavers, Al Bernstein, Michael Spinks, WBC, Eric Morales, James Toney and Jesse Vargas as an early commitment to this year's Box Fan Expo, with many more top boxing stars to be announced. Let's block ads. Why?